name is Mike McKee. I'm a founding partner of Carbol Products Company. We provide effective organic solutions to all growers, from large multi-acre farms to the home gardener. Our mission is to provide products that achieve outstanding growing results for our customers and enhance the environment. We are committed to being cost-effective and affordable, allowing growers to realize excellent returns on their investments in our products. Our flagship product, Carbol AGRO, is an all-natural, organic, high-carbon soil and plant amendment derived from natural, biologically active, eco-friendly, carbon-based materials. The picture you're seeing are the actual results from Carbol AGRO that has been used on the different represented plants. Its active components enhance soil conditions and promote the transfer of nutrients to the plants. With Carbol AGRO, users grow healthier plants, trees, and grasses with higher yields, a result of increased nutrient uptake, larger root masses, and improved water holding capacity. We are committed to enhancing soil conditions, and Carbol AGRO does just that. It helps amend the soil and stimulate its structure, opens pathways, and strengthens disease resistance in the plant system, thereby increasing the nutrient uptake. Carbol AGRO is sold as a liquid concentrate that is easily applied as a foliar spray or a soil drench or with your normal fertilizer nutritional program. It has a long shelf life and is not harmful when applied as directed. Carbol AGRO is certified organic and OMRI listed. I encourage you to visit our website at www.carbolproducts.com and review our detailed case studies for examples of our results. I also recommend you listen to my partner, Edgar Pelez's presentation on soil and soil amendments. We look forward to being a part of your successful growing experience and are ready to provide additional information by email or phone. Carbol AGRO may be ordered on our website and is available in concentrate form from 1 gallon to 275 gallons. We look forward to you being a part of the Carbol Products family.
Thanks for your time and for listening to us speak briefly about soils and soil amendments. My name is Edgar Pelez, a co-founder and managing director of Carbol Products Company. We will share with you a few thoughts about soils, plants, and Carbol AGRO, our product. To frame our conversation, today's theme is all about the soil. The soil is what provides that loose surface material that has inorganic particles and organic matter in a biologically active and porous medium. It provides structural support to plants in agriculture and in our gardens, and is the reservoir and source of water and nutrients. It is a critical medium for the filtration and breakdown of waste and an active part of the cycle of carbon and other elements. Soils can be made of sand, silt, or clay. However, most soils will have a mixture of all three. Our goal as a company is to protect the soil, promote its health, and support the healthy growth of our plants. We're certain you share this goal for your gardens and crops. A soil amendment is a material that helps us improve the properties of the soil, such as water retention, permeability, water infiltration, drainage, aeration, and structure. It also enhances the availability and transfer of nutrients. These combined properties provide a better environment for the plants and the roots to grow and thrive. An organic soil amendment is one very rich in organic matter, macro and micro elements, that increases the fertility of the soils by delivery of substrates for microbial growth, all while being all natural without any inorganic elements or chemicals. An ideal soil amendment should be all natural, organic, friendly to the environment, readily available upon application to the soils, roots, and plants, and must be cost effective, of easy application, and that we can easily see that it's working. Such an ideal organic soil amendment will improve soil structure, nutrient availability, the strength of roots and plants, and their water holding capacity. These benefits will result in an improved health as well as stress resistance of roots and plants. When applying a soil amendment to our plants and crops, we want to see results. We want to make sure everything is working on our crops or gardens. There are two types of measurements we normally perform. First, the ones that are visible, that we can do in our home gardens or farm crops. We look for growth and better appearance or color of plants. We look for the appearance and quality of fruits or flowers. Or perhaps we look for how our plants are more or less resistant to pests and diseases. With the help of various technologies, we can measure how our plants are growing, how fast, the size and speed of the growth of the fruits, the fertility of the soil and plants, how available are the nutrients present. We can determine if we have nutrients in the soil that are not available to the plants. We can see if there are pathways in the soils and roots that are open or not for nutrients to be able to transfer. We can measure the water holding capacity and see if it's at the level that it should be. All these can be measured with technology. With these initial comments as a framework, we will now talk about our product, Carbol AGRO. It is a soil amendment, all natural, high carbon. It is derived from biologically active, eco-friendly carbon-based materials. It combines organic matter from humic and fulvic acids, lignin, and beneficial bacteria. It supports improved soil conditions and the transfer of nutrients to plants. It comes from a natural source mined in southeast Georgia from an old-decaying cypress reservoir that has been there for millions of years. As seen in the picture, on the left is the raw material that is then ground into particles, which then undergo a proprietary cold water extraction process for the active ingredients into a liquid form concentrate. As simple as that. No chemicals, completely organic. That concentrate holds the active ingredients with a high content of carbon, organic matter, and humic and fulvic acid. The product supports soil improvement, robust root systems. It helps build organic matter in the soil and promotes plant vigor and water holding capacity. The ability to uptake nutrients and water is strengthened through the interaction of carbon, humic and fulvic acid, nitrogen fixating biology, and beneficial fungi. It keeps nutrients in the root zone, bonding macro and micro elements. A stronger plant supports the efficacy of pesticides and fungicides. This results in increased yield from crops and plants with better resistance to transplant shock and environmental stress. In summary, Carbol AGRO works by delivering robust root systems, improve organic matter buildup in soil, plants with improved vigor and higher ability to take up nutrients, plants with better water intake and holding capacity, bonding macro and micro elements that hold nutrients in the root zone, increased efficacy of pesticides and fungicides, and improved soil conditions. By doing so, farmers and growers benefit from carbon that goes to the resident biology in a more diverse biological environment, healthier and more vigorous plants, root systems of larger mass and increased strength, improved water holding capacity, improved chelating of nutrients, more resistance to environmental stress and transplant shock, faster seed germination, and easy mixing with most other nutrients and fertilizers. Carbol AGRO is unlisted and CDFA registered as an organic input material, and it's also registered for sale in multiple states. In concentrate form, it can be used in row and field crops. Typical application is 1 to 2 gallons per acre at planting, plus 1 to 2 gallons per acre after 1 month, and 1/2 to 1 gallon per month per acre until harvest as maintenance. Dosages can and should be adjusted based on results. For home garden applications as a foliar spray or root drench, use a diluted mixture of 8 ounces of concentrate per gallon of water, and then apply to the plants via their leaves and roots using a sprayer. In commercial agriculture, you can mix Carbol AGRO directly into your fertigation and apply it through your drip lines. Carbol AGRO is compatible with regular nutrition of crops and plants. Just add it to the program you already have in place and in the frequency that you're already doing.